Hello, my name is Zeel Vyas. I started my journey with Akash in 2018 in the 9th standard. I decided to prepare for NEET in the 11th standard, and so I had to strengthen my concepts in the 9th standard itself. I joined Akash on the suggestion of friends and relatives, and also the results at this center were very good. मैंने अपनी प्रिपरेशन 2020 में स्टार्ट की थी जब दुनिया में कोविड पैंडमिक चल रहा था and I and my family also got COVID during this time, but my parents and my faculties always supported me and they encouraged me to do my best even in the worst times, and so I never stopped believing in them and I tried my best to pursue my studies even in tough times. I wrote ANTHE because it was a national level examination and it helped me to see where I stand in India. I got 100% scholarship in ANTHE and that's why I chose to pursue Akash BYJU'S. The syllabus for boards and NEET is the same. So, whenever you prepare for any chapter, you prepare it thoroughly so that you can attempt any type of question, whether it is subjective or it is objective. The understanding of concepts is very important. And if you do that well, you will not face problems in managing boards as well as NEET. I prepared for NEET by revising all the concepts daily that the teachers taught in the class. I also asked doubts the next day about the topics they taught yesterday. Also, I appeared in all the tests and analyzed my results and also asked the teachers about how to improve my performance. They encouraged me a lot and I kept preparing and practicing every day. And so consistency is the main thing that you have to take care of while you are preparing for NEET UG. सबसे पहले तो जब हम लास्ट प्रिपरेशन कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें हमेशा उस जगह से ही रिवाइज़ करना चाहिए जहाँ से हमने फर्स्ट टाइम लर्न किया था. डोंट ट्राई टू डू समथिंग न्यू बिकॉज इफ़ यू डोंट रिमेंबर इट ऑन द मेन टाइम देन यू विल गेट स्कैर्ड. Also, clear all your doubts with your faculties and that will help you in attempting a question that is new to you. During the year 2020, when the studies shifted from the offline mode to the online mode, the teachers were as supportive and therefore it was very easy to pursue studies even in the online mode. Then in the year 2021, when the studies were again into the offline mode, I came into the Akash classroom and studied here peacefully. And so the Akash BYJU'S classroom has helped me a lot throughout my journey for NEET UG 2022. अगर मैं मेरी बात करूँ तो मैं WhatsApp के अलावा और किसी सोशल मीडिया पर नहीं हूँ एंड अगर आप ऑलरेडी हो तो मैं सजेस्ट करूँगी कि 2 सालों के लिए अपने फ़ोन से ये सारी ऐप्स डिलीट कर दो. ये सब तो NEET UG के बाद भी रहेगा तो आप अभी स्टडीज़ पर फोकस कर लो और उसके बाद ये सब भी परस्यू कर लेना. When I was preparing for NEET UG 2022, I followed a really strict schedule including a timetable that you have to set according to your needs. And the most important thing is discipline. Self-discipline plays a very vital role for improving results in NEET UG 2022. Also, relax yourself a bit. Every day you have to do something that you like I listen to songs for a limited time. It should not be exceeded in a very large amount. I started my preparation early so that I can make base for the concepts that are studied in 11th and 12th. 9th and 10th is a great base for 11th and 12th, and so it helped me a lot to study regularly in 11th and 12th because I had a practice of it in the 9th and 10th also. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट और एनकरेज किया. जब भी मेरे कम मार्क्स आते थे तो वो हमेशा मुझे बोलते थे कि सिर्फ एफ़र्ट्स करो, मार्क्स पर ध्यान मत दो, टॉपिक क्लियर होना चाहिए, मार्क्स तो फिर आ जाएंगे. जब भी मेरे क्लासेस होते थे तो मेरे पेरेंट्स इंश्योर करते थे कि ज़्यादा आवाज़ ना आए और मुझे डिस्टर्ब ना हो, और उन्होंने हमेशा ध्यान रखा है कि मेरी पढ़ाई पे किसी चीज़ का कोई इफ़ेक्ट ना आए. आई हैड अ फ्रूटफुल एक्सपीरियंस एट आकाश BYJU'S in the 2 years in which I was preparing for NEET UG 2022. My teachers have helped me a lot and supported me throughout my journey so that I can clear NEET UG 2022. My advice to all the NEET aspirants is that you should give all the mock tests that are arranged at Akash BYJU'S and clear all your doubts so that you are not left with any concepts to be cleared before the examination.